In this next problem, the manager of concert hall keeps data on the total number of tickets sold and total income or revenue for each event. So I'm going to put X along, or tickets along the X-axis and Y along the X-axis. And so you can see how I've marked out the axes with the numbers. So you may want to pause and do that. I've plotted each point with a purple dot. And in the first problem, part B here, it says, go ahead and pick 2 points. So I've marked the 2 that I picked with the red arrow. You can pick any 2. They all seem to be lining up along a line similar to this. So if you pick any of those points, you'd be good. I would probably stay away from this one, as it seems to be a bit of an outlier. But for the most part, it'll get you close. So you're supposed to calculate the slope for these lines. And I would do my slope. Take one of your y values. Subtract the other one. 2353.50. And then you do the x's in the same direction, so 533 minus 320. If you make that calculation, type it in. So type that in carefully to your calculator. You get something right around 6.72, let's call it. Do a little rounding. And if you go to write the equation, you can write it in point slope form or slope intercept. So if we write in point slope form, you might do y equals 6.72 x minus, now pick either one of your points that you used from before is fine, 320 plus 2353.50. So that's an okay equation of a line. You might want to go to point slope intercept form, in which case you distribute the 6.72, and so on a calculator, let's clear that out. You're going to do your 6.72 times the negative 320, but then you still have your 2353 that you have to add. And so if you switch to slope intercept form, you'd have 6.72x plus 203.10. So the next equation that they're asking, or the next question they're asking you is, what is the real world meaning of the slope? And it's for every ticket sold, revenue increases $6.72. And so finally, the last question they're asking us is, what's going to happen if we sell all 650 seats? I'm just going to plug it into the slope intercept form. And so I can take my y equals 6.72.
Good afternoon.
6.72. I can plug my 650 in for x plus the 203.10. And that tells me then that I'm getting, if you plug that into a calculator, 4,517.50 0.10. So that's how many dollars I have in my revenue column. You now can complete the assignment on page 131 to 134, numbers 1, 2, 4, A through C, 5, A through C, and 8.